Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. See what is going on right now. Tinubu supporters now they invade National Assembly over the fuel price increments. Not be any other person who say, okay, say na Labour Party, na Peter Obi or na Tiku. Now they do what they do. Now they invade. Tinubu supporters, they are safe. You see, and so now they invade National Assembly, say they won't kill us, so not be kid. Tinubu won't kill us. After we don't support her, we vote for her. Waiting it say they do so. Now they go National Assembly, not be smart, Say we they see what they happen so, but people go die. Person go die first. Person go die first. Person go die first. Now things like this now they happen since so. Now everybody say where. Now we say we'll let una know. Make everybody know themselves. Maybe we know exactly what they happen. You see, people voted for Tinubu thinking that things would be different, but excuse me, where are we? Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Tinubu supporters invaded National Assembly over fuel price increment. A group of protesters in support of the removal of fuel subsidy has stormed the National Assembly main entrance to make and express their view. Politics Nigeria reports that the protesters, who were led by Sunday Atta, the conveyor of Stand Up Nigeria, said they were demonstrating to show their solidarity with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu over the decision to remove the fuel subsidy, but the palliative must be given now, as people are suffering. Nigerians are suffering, and things are going from bad to worse. We voted for Tinubu, we supported him, but right now, this has gone beyond words. He has to do something to make things easy. The state of the nation, with all going on now, there must be some cushioning effect to help the people go through the season. A lot of people are suffering and dying. It has gotten to that stage, and we want the government to act now and do what is needed. Atta said that the protesters were aware of the removal of the fuel subsidy, and this is why they want the government to act to ensure that the people are safe. When you remove the fuel subsidy, you must put things in place to cushion the effort of the suffering, because price of fuel is now being sold at the price of $1. Atta said that the protesters were aware that the removal of the fuel subsidy would lead to an increment in the price of petrol, but they never knew it would get this bad. The government should have made some effort in ensuring that things are different before accepting any other alternative. Increasing the price for within weeks, within days, has made it worse. Atta also said that the protesters were confident that Tinubu will do something and will help the people, but wants him to work in ensuring that the people are safe. Nigerians, we support you, Mr. President, but we want you to remember and put things in place for the people. The people are suffering, and every single one needs to know that the president is working hard at it. We are here today, and our main reason is to say that we understand what Nigerians are going through. We recognize it, and we want things to be put in place so that Nigerians can go through the season rather than suffering in it. So, una dey contradict una self, if you ask me. Yeah, you are contradicting yourself. Why you call con say they call protest? To call show so that they will put you for news, abi? So now come outside. Okay, you don't come outside now, we help. Because we need to know. We help. We help. You don't come outside, we not argue. We help. Yes, you are out. We help. Say you understand, you appreciate Tinubu effort, blah, 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 blah. Okay, you don't appreciate the effort now. I just solve the price of fear. What did they go on? What did they go on? So you see, guys, may we just mind ourselves. We not allow people will say they don't give money. Because that's how we just put it. That's the only way I can describe it. People don't collect money from politicians. They come outside, they tell us, say, we believe in the president, but we want the palliative to be rolled out now. So what you they talk now? You're neither here nor there. You are honestly, sincerely speaking, nobody don't tell you need to hear out. You are neither here nor there. So we don't know where you stand. We don't know where you really stand, because your position now is a very, very confusing one. It's a very, very confusing one, because people are genuinely suffering. You don't enter time. You don't see what people they go through. You don't enter time. You don't see her. Then you come now, they could tell us, say, well, say you support Tinubu. Okay, you support her, it help me. Thank you for supporting him. It's good. I guess he's happy that he got his support. And he's happy he got his support, but how did it help anybody? Can you see that it is when they see me people rise up, the thing it don't become a thing where we say we not fit take play. So it is what it is, and it is high time everybody begin to look at things more critically and ensure say we not leave things to chance. Because if we leave things to chance, we go they call like go run us, it go affect us, and we don't want that. So everybody get parts to play in all of this. Everybody get parts to play. Not be only some people, everybody get parts to play. So that together we can make a lot of difference and we can make this country a better one. Can you see what's going on? Can you see that, the days upon us are so critical and we cannot afford, okay, to leave ourselves in the hands of those who, are just there trying to get by, in ensuring that they cause wahala. Can you see that? So it is a very serious one. It's a very, very serious one. And so it's something that we must look upon, and we must ensure that, we do everything humanly speaking possible to bring Nigerians out of, the things that are happening now, so that every single person, okay, can work at it, and we can do that which we need to do to save and to salvage the situation of this country. There are people who do not care what's happening to others. It's called selfishness, if you ask me. They are very selfish individuals, very selfish. They don't care what happens to any other person. And that's not what we want. We want leaders that have the heart of the people, that also cares, that see what the people are going through and can also work at it and navigate it to understand that, these people, they need this opportunity for this change to come. You see, so it is something that we must look upon very carefully, very, very carefully. Yes, so it is what it is. Remember, we are all in this together. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us, it's bye for now. Bye bye.